How to enable ChatGPT dark mode properly. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on two lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on it, click on your name at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on your name at the bottom left, in here, simply click on General. After you click on General in here, click on Color Scheme. After you click on Color Scheme, select Dark. Make sure there's tick mark or a dot in dark. After you do that, press on OK. After you press on OK, you're good to go. This is how to enable ChatGPT dark mode properly. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.